Hey everyone, if you're tired of scrambling for breakfast and want to start your day on the right foot, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking all about morning meal planning. We'll cover easy and delicious breakfast ideas, how to prep them in advance, and tips to make your mornings a breeze. Ready to transform your breakfast routine? Let's dive in. So, why should you bother with morning meal planning? Well, having a plan can save you time, reduce stress, and help you make healthier choices. Instead of reaching for that sugary cereal, or skipping breakfast altogether, a little planning can set you up for a successful day. First up, let's talk about overnight oats. These are a game changer for busy mornings. You simply mix oats with milk or a milk alternative and your favorite toppings like fruits, nuts, and a touch of honey. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila, breakfast is ready when you are. You can get creative with flavors. Try classic vanilla and berries, or maybe a tropical mix with coconut and pineapple. Make a few jars at once and you've got breakfast sorted for several days. Next, let's roll into breakfast burritos. These are perfect for those mornings when you need something hearty. Scramble some eggs, add in your favorite veggies, cheese, and maybe some cooked bacon or sausage, then wrap it all up in a tortilla. Wrap each burrito in foil or plastic wrap and freeze them. In the morning, just pop one in the microwave or oven and you're good to go. It's a warm, satisfying breakfast in minutes. If you're a fan of smoothies, here's a quick tip: prep smoothie packs in advance. Portion out your favorite fruits and veggies into freezer bags, and add a scoop of protein powder if you like. In the morning, just dump the contents into the blender, add your liquid of choice, and blend. It's a nutritious, on-the-go breakfast that's ready in seconds. Yogurt parfaits are another fantastic option. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh fruit, and store them in jars in the fridge. They're delicious and provide a great balance of protein and carbs to start your day. You can mix and match different fruits and granola varieties to keep things interesting, plus they look beautiful, which makes them a joy to eat. Egg muffins. Last but not least, let's talk about egg muffins. These are like mini omelets you can make ahead of time. Beat some eggs, add in veggies, cheese, and any other fillings you love, then bake them in a muffin tin. Once they're baked and cooled, store them in the fridge. In the morning, just grab one or two, microwave them, and you've got a protein-packed breakfast ready to go. Tips for successful meal planning. A few quick tips to make your morning meal planning even easier. Prep in batches. Spend some time on the weekend or the night before to prep multiple servings at once. Use clear containers. Store your meals in clear containers so you can easily see what's inside. Label everything. Use labels to keep track of what's in your fridge or freezer and when it was made. With these tips, you'll keep everything fresh and organized, making your mornings smoother and stress-free. Get started today, and that's a wrap on morning meal planning. I hope these ideas help you get a jump start on your day and keep breakfast delicious and easy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.